Hi, I'm BJ with Real Property Management. We have office in Howard County and Columbia, and today we're going to talk about the rental license process in Howard County. So it's actually pretty simple in Howard County. Basically, any rental in Howard County has to be licensed with the county, and so it's a paper form process that you've got to mail or deliver to the county offices and pay. It's about a $90 fee for the application. Once your application is approved by adding your name, your information, who your property manager is, all that kind of stuff, they'll schedule an inspection. So they'll come out and inspect the property, and what they're looking for is any safety, hazardous type things like that. So make sure there's handrails on the stairs, make sure smoke detectors, carbon monoxide if there's gas or garage, make sure window screens are intact and in place. All the stuff you can think of that could be a safety hazard for a tenant living there. Peeling paint, that kind of stuff. If the home is built before 78, making sure there's lead inspections been done, all these kind of things. So they'll come out and do an inspection of it. Once that inspection is passed, sometimes they'll give us something we need to do, whether it's adding a new smoke detector, updating, something, we'll get that done. Once they come out and approve that, you now have a rental license, and it typically lasts for 2 years. Now, the key to this is if you don't have this, and say you rent your property, and maybe you have an issue with a tenant, you have to do an eviction, you might get stopped in the court process by not having a rental license. So it is definitely worth it. It's not difficult at all. It's one paper form. The only thing is they're a little bit old school, where it's got to be done by paper. But you're sending this to the county office, they do the inspection, they come out, they check it, they stamp it off, and you're good for 2 years. So if you have any questions about this or need help with this, we definitely can help you with this. Pretty simple process in Howard County. Any questions, let us know.